Okay. I'm out. Holy crap, he just came out of nowhere. I was so busy. Just so busy doing something. Okay, good. Nothing special. Nothing special. There's gonna be something special at the end, obviously. Because at the end of this train, at the end of these kinds of trains, there's usually something special. Normally. Whew, he just came out of nowhere.
Yeah, dude. I didn't hear the rumble.
I heard the rumble just about before, like, right where you can see it through that little crack over there. I could see something special. If I could, that would just be nice. Because I never really see anything different over here.
Did you even ask your grandma if you could come over here?
No. I don't even care what she says at this point.
You know what I'm gonna go do? I'm gonna go lock that door. So if she knocks,
Don't answer.
exactly.
Yeah.
Because she, and also I'm gonna lock it. So if she does knock,
Yeah, you may as well just explain it to everybody.
to
YouTube.
so guys,
Basically, I'm unwanted.
at his house because is it okay if I just say one word?
Yeah.
He's being a fucker right now. A big fucker. Right. So, I was over at his house and,
She yelled at him for nothing.
well, first we came up in and you woke her up.
Yeah.
And then she came out and said that I have to go home. And then also said that you have to get in bed. And then
Well, I didn't
she
have to, but she just didn't listen.
So then she went
She still
back into
suggested.
her bed and I didn't leave.
Alright.
So then she came out and said, and I'm not kidding, and
Yeah.
she yelled at me to get out of her house.
She was like, "Go home now." That's all she really said.
Then I came over here. Then I...
Did you tell anybody?
No, I haven't.
Well, you should.
Oh, that's... Oh, okay, that's bad. That's really bad.
What?
My dad is telling your dad that to get off your tablet more, and that you can't have it. And
Nothing special at night. I mean, in the end.
let's get off the table.
8907. So what? You trying to explain?
And then you came over, and so she's just being stupid right now.
Oh.
It's just.
So what
And you
is she trying to say about me, basically, on the tablet?
your dad's. My dad's gonna tell your dad to kind of take away your tablet because
Just because I forgot to turn off my alarm.
no, because you're on it way too much and it gets and my dad gets really annoyed by it. So, and
Like what? How? The sound is barely even on when I'm over here. Unless I'm in your room and we have the door shut, then like it's not super loud.
everyone can still hear it.
Yeah, and the volume usually isn't that high.
Everyone can hear it.
Well, I'm not gonna listen to most of it, so good luck. Good luck, fam.
Yeah, I wasn't anything into this. I was just like,
And how do you know?
my dad told me, Alex really needs to get off that tablet, something like that.
Well, I'm not, so.
But my dad's telling your dad, and your dad's gonna take it away, maybe.
There's no way he'd do that. He just wouldn't. I do a lot more than just my tablet.
Not.
Usually. Because when you're at my house, the majority of that is spent in the basement. Right?
Playing with trains.
And cars and stuff.
But that's
And then a majority of the week you're over at my place.
okay. Let's go.
So yeah.